Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets here, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and we're back with another tire review. This tire right here is a Fury Country Hunter MT, but we're not here to talk about that one because it's old news. This guy right in front of me is the new Country Hunter MT2. So this tire is Fury's newest offering in their mud terrain package, so it's a little bit more aggressive than some of their all-terrain tires, obviously. This one here is a 37 13.5 R24, so it's a little bit bigger than some of the other tire reviews that we've done. I know the AT2 we had was a 265 or 285/70 R17, so this one's a little bit bigger. Obviously, there was a 35 that was in front of it there. So let's dive right into this guy. First thing that I noticed on this one over the last rendition of this tire, the regular MT, is this center tread pattern. Now, in the past MT, they had much smaller tread blocks, a lot more compact and kind of square pieces. What Fury's done with the center tread pattern on this tire is actually made those blocks significantly bigger. What that allows it to have is a much more closed center tread pattern, which is gonna give you a much quieter ride on the road. It's gonna ride a little smoother. It's just not gonna make quite as much noise because there's more tread block than there is void. Now, the cool thing with this tire is it's a little more closed in the center, but as you get to the outside, it gets very open. So you have these big, massive tread blocks that come off to the side, grooving on the side corners as well, and these big old siping grooves in between the blocks. This is gonna really help you kick out that mud and stones and debris and the stuff that if you happen to find yourself off the pavement, it's really gonna help with traction in those scenarios. All right, so moving right along with this tire, guys, the next thing I wanna talk to you about is load rating. So Fury actually hooked it up on this. They're gonna have all of their product offerings in this tire are either an E rating or an F rating. So what that's gonna mean is they're either, I believe they're either a 10 ply or a 12 ply, which is really gonna have the sidewall rating for most of your half-ton and up trucks, and including some of your more heavy-duty 3/4 and 1 tons, which is pretty cool. Not all companies out there are making a little bit heavier-duty tires, so it's cool to see Fury do that, especially in some of their odd sizes, which segues us right into the next bit, actually, sizing on these bad boys. So Fury hooks it up. They're coming in all the way from 17 to 24 inches. So 17, 18, 20, 22, and 24 on these guys. And they're gonna offer these in true Fury fashion in some of your more show build size tires, like the 33 12.5 R24s, which is cool because those are still an E-rated tire. So thinner sidewall, really wide tire, made for those 22 14s. Plus it's gonna give you that really aggressive look if that's the look you're going for on your show build. So again, Fury's got kind of that whole lineup that you can check out. You can check out the Country Hunter MT2, the original MT, their AT, basically all their tires right on customoffsets.com. And with that, we'll see you next time. Peace.